Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to use the screen mirroring on your Android device and you are looking at how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So first of all, you can head over to your settings, open it up and go to the connection section. And the first thing you need to ensure is that both of your phone and the device that you're trying to screen mirror, for example your TV, is connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can just go over and ensure that it's done. And you just need to go over and scroll down from your quick settings panel and look out for the option to mirror it. You can look out for different options such as casting, screen mirror, sometimes smart view on your Samsung device, and tap on it. You can turn it on. After you turn it on, this should be the particular screen you should be finding. And from here, you just need to choose the specific device or streaming device from the list that appears. Once you do so, you just need to tap on it and follow any prompts on your phone or TV to start mirroring. You can just go over and do so, and you can cast within the applications. You just need to give the necessary permissions once you select the device, and then you can even disconnect or stop casting once you use the screen mirroring from your Android. So therefore, everybody, if you'd like to screen mirror on your Android device, these are the methods you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.